Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So a few days ago I posted a video with the ice cube tray and doing an acrylic pour with that. Now my girl Maris asked me to do one for her with purple, white, silver, and teal. So that's what we're going to try today. I'm using a 10 by 10 canvas. I'm still going to only use these middle 10 rows. The purple that I'm using is a combination of an Artist Loft purple, the violet, and then also Color Shift purple. So it's a little bit metallic and really pretty. All right, then we're gonna get a little bit of the silver in here, which I'm using DecoArt Extreme Sheen. This is already mixed, even though I'm pouring it right out of the bottle. If I mix a paint and then I have some left over, I just put it back in the bottle for obvious reasons, to not waste it. And then here is some teal. There are a lot of different teals, so hopefully you like this. All of these paints are various acrylic paints, and they're all mixed with Floetrol, which is a paint conditioner, and some water. Okay, you guys? And down in the description, you will see all of the materials and my formulas for mixing. So check that out. And also on my YouTube channel, I definitely have videos on how to mix the paint. Okay, a little more purple. And then I think we're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip cup this again. Very excited, this looks awesome already. Here we go. And you can definitely reuse these trays, guys. I have 2 of them, and I'm only using this one because the other one I just used in another project, so it's got wet paint in it. All right, I'm gonna let this sit here for a second, and then we'll go ahead and pull it up and see what we've got. All right, here we go. Very excited about these colors. They look great together. All right, and what I'll do with this is I'm going to put it, I have these silicone mats under here, which are from Lowly Vefe. I'll put the link down in the description if you're interested. But I just set this upside down on one of those and it drains out, and then I can use that extra paint for other things. So let's go ahead and do our painting. And I'm just going to tilt it until I'm pretty happy with it. These colors look amazing together. The silvers are really coming through. I hope you like this, Maris. Let me know what you think. Hopefully it's kind of what you had in mind. I'm gonna run it back this way a little bit. It's just a little too much over there. There we go. I like that. Awesome. Let's let this sit here for just a few minutes. I usually let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then I can kind of tell what's developing or not developing. And then we'll come back and do our close-up. Okay, we're back. You can see we've had a lot of cells developing. So just as a pro tip with acrylic pours, metallic paints can actually really help with cell production. It's, you know, not to get all sciencey or whatever, but something with the density with the paints really can help with the cell production. So just a little tip: if you don't want cells, maybe don't use metallics, and if you do want cells, metallics can help. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. Starting on the lower right hand corner here, this is such a great color combination. And you can see a lot, mostly here where you see cells, it's the silver paint kind of popping through. This is the upper right hand corner. Over to the upper left hand corner. And down to the lower left hand corner. And we just have some really great parts to this painting. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Keep the color suggestions coming. I always try to get to them if I can. And otherwise, I will see you all next time.